In this video, I'll be showing you how you can install Claude AI in Docker. The first thing that I want you to do is to focus on this terminal and then head to Entropy console. Inside your Entropy console, you have to access the API keys and copy one of your Claude API key. Now, I want you to copy this code in our screen and then paste your Anthropic API key in this label. After doing that, you need to head back to your Docker and then open your terminal and paste the whole code and hit the enter button. You will see this success message that you have to open the localhost 8080 in your browser. So once you click this will be opening. This is now the Cloud Computer Use demo. You can chat with Cloud here, but this is only saved locally. You can also do different things here like file management, code execution, and investment simulations. That's it. That's how you can install Claude AI in your Docker, and thank you for listening.